everyone. Welcome to the next episode of the Confico Talk Show. Today, we have another guest on the talk show, Raina Joshi. Raina will introduce herself to you. Raina, please.
Hello everyone, I'm Raina Joshi, student from grade 9. Today, I feel immense pleasure to be here in the Confico Talk Show. And my topic for today would be nepotism.
So, Raina, tell us about your family background.
Okay, ma'am. So my father is a businessman, and my mother is the director of the Indian Heritage School.
Pathankot.
Yeah, and I have a younger sibling. She's in second grade, and I'm in ninth.
Good to know, Raina. And Raina, you are going to discuss today about nepotism. Do you know what nepotism is actually?
Yes, ma'am. In simple words, if we talk about it, so it's a sort of discrimination or what they call it as partiality. Because being when your mother is the owner or director of the school, it's not very easy to study in that school because you're going across many hurdles or struggles.
So that means कि आपको बहुत सारी hurdles और struggles face करनी पड़ रही हैं.
It's not like बहुत सारी, but हाँ, of course करनी पड़ती है because teachers have high expectations from you.
Raina, I suppose yours is a residential school.
Yeah.
Right? And you also live in the same premises. Right? So what hurdles do you face living in the same premises, meeting those same classmates in the morning, as well as in the evening preps also? So what are the problems actually you're facing there?
Well, ma'am, from the outside, it actually seems to be a very smooth ride. But when we take a deeper look, we'll actually get to know that there are many problems which I face. Like, it's not just about the teachers who have high expectations from me, it's about the peers. Like, most of my classmates, or not only classmates, all the students of the school, they feel that I'm being given an unfair advantage. You know, being the
Extra
teachers.
importance, type of an extra importance.
Yeah, that's so-called partiality, which they call, being the teacher's pet, teacher's favorite, or teachers approaching to me only. And when I get full marks, they are like, oh, इसकी तो मम्मा का स्कूल है.
उसको पेपर पहले से पता होगा.
Yes, of course.
मैंने पहले से पेपर सॉल्व कर दिया होगा. And that's why she's scoring good. They don't realize कि आपके अंदर भी potential है.
Exactly, ma'am. I remember one incident. We were giving our half-yearly exams.
Okay.
So there was one boy who was sitting on the last bench. Like I was in first row and he was in the second. So there were just 5 minutes were left, and the question paper, it was geography, so it was very lengthy. We were all stuck on long question answers, because they were of 6 marks. So I was doing it, and I said that, ma'am, okay, just give me 2 more minutes. I'm about to get finished. So this one boy shouted from behind. He said, अगर पेपर नहीं भी खत्म होगा तो एडमिन ऑफिस जाएगी, वहां पे खत्म कर लेगी. So it's like
you didn't respond. आपने कुछ बोला नहीं.
I just ignored it क्योंकि बाद में मार्क्स ने बता दिया था.
तो वो मार्क्स ने तो बता दिया, लेकिन वो मार्क्स के केस में भी ये बोलते होंगे कि मम्मा ने प्रेशराइज करा होगा टीचर्स को, या टीचर्स ने इसलिए मार्क्स दे दिए होंगे. तो फिर एक बुरा सा तो लगता ही है ना.
Of course, like पहले जब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस थी ना, so again there was this boy जिसकी मम्मा ने आके she like in front of my mother she said कि हाँ, जो बच्चे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में अच्छा पढ़ते हुए दिखते थे, शी टुक हमारी क्लास की सभी गर्ल्स का नेम एक्सेप्ट फॉर मी. और वो दैट डे इट पिंच्ड मी कि यार इतनी भी बुरी नहीं हूँ मैं, मेरे को भी, मेरे अंदर भी आई हैव लिटिल बिट ऑफ पोटेंशियल कि यस आई कैन डू.
यू थिंक ये सब चीजों का इम्पैक्ट आपकी फ्रेंडशिप पे, आपके रिलेशनशिप्स पे भी आता है?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं स्कूल में?
हैं, नॉट सो मैनी. आई एम नॉट इन दोस पॉपुलर गर्ल ग्रुप, बट या मेरे हैं 2-3 फ्रेंड्स हैं बिकॉज आई फील मैम 2 or 3 लॉयल फ्रेंड्स आर बेटर एज कम्पेयर टू अ ग्रुप ऑफ फेक फ्रेंड्स.
लेकिन आप उनके साथ यू कैन वेंट आउट योर हार्ट, आप सब बात कर सकते हो.
वो भी नहीं है. दैट इज ऑल्सो द प्रॉब्लम क्योंकि मैम इस जनरेशन में ना वी कांट ट्रस्ट एनीवन इजीली. एंड वो 2-3 फ्रेंड्स आर लाइक ठीक है चलो कभी कहीं चले गए, कभी कहीं चले गए, बट द ट्रुथ इज समवेयर बिटवीन मी एंड माई मदर ओनली. सो शी नोज एवरीथिंग.
So you feel comfortable talking to your mother only?
She is my friend.
All right, Raina. Any such situation in your life जिसने बहुत major impact छोड़ा आपकी life में?
Yeah, ma'am. I don't remember the exact grade, but yeah, it was either second or third.
Okay.
So in that class, there was this one boy and one girl from my class whom I considered to be my besties, but fake people exist. So duster होता है blackboard का. They took it, they spit on it. And then they randomly came and threw it on my face, and I was like, क्या है ये simple dust ही होगा. Then I went to the washroom and I was traumatized. Like, what is this happening?
You started crying.
Yeah, because I was so traumatized कि यार पहली बार ऐसा हो गया, ऐसा मैंने क्या ही कर दिया था. तो उसके बाद यू नो मैम these small incidents also have a huge impact on our mind.
और फिर आप थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब हो गए, फिर घर
हाँ।
जाके मम्मा को बताया?
I cried a lot. उस दिन मैं घर गई पर फिर मम्मा ने ना मैम उसी दिन से मेरे को पता लग गया था that my school life in this school is not going to be easy.
तो फिर आपने कभी सोचा नहीं रहना कि मैं स्कूल चेंज कर लूँ? कैन आई गो टू सम बोर्डिंग स्कूल आउट ऑफ दिस
No,
टाउन?
ma'am, because मेरे को मेरा बहुत बार था but what my mother said क्योंकि वो मेरी इंस्पिरेशन है, so she said me कि कमल का फूल भी ना कीचड़ में ही खिलता है.
Right.
So yeah, so like that if I want to be you know
You
a
need-
famous personality then I think struggles are very important.
And you need to be very bold.
Yeah, in that case, which I'm trying to be because earlier I was highly sensitive. Like I used to cry, you know, if someone said me, "चल बे हट यहाँ से," तो मैं रोने लग जाती थी.
अच्छा, अपने स्कूल में भी बच्चे आपको ऐसे बोल
अरे
देते
मैम
हैं?
बहुत ज्यादा. वो एक होता है ना कि ऑरा होता है कि अरे डायरेक्टर की बेटी आ रही है ऐसे वैसे, मेरा कुछ भी नहीं है उनमें से.
अच्छा, वो मतलब ऐसे बोल देते हैं आते जाते, and they do pass you comments and all those things.
करते हैं but I'm like I don't care वाला एटीट्यूड है मेरे पास. अब आया
और तो जैसे फ्रेंड्स की बर्थडे पार्टीज होती हैं,
जाती हूँ मैं.
अच्छा आप जाते हो तो वहाँ पे भी जब जाते हो तो वहाँ पे भी टीज करते हैं?
वहाँ पे आई थिंक उनके पेरेंट्स होते हैं क्योंकि आज तक मैं इतनी बर्थडे पार्टीज में गई हूँ. बर्थडे पार्टीज में नहीं होता बट हाँ मैम काफ़ी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं जो आप खुद नोटिस करते हो.
आप खुद फील करते हो कि वो आपको
हाँ.
थोड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट फील कराती है, सेग्रीगेटेड फील कराती है?
सेग्रीगेटेड लाइक इंपॉर्टेंस का तो मेरे को आई भी नहीं होता कहीं पे जाके. आई एम लाइक कि चलो ठीक है बुलाया है चल जाते हैं, इट्स नॉट अ बैड थिंग. क्योंकि वहाँ पे जाके ना इवन इट्स गुड फॉर मी क्योंकि मेरे को लोगों का रियल फेस पता चलता है. जिनको मैं अपनी बेस्टीज बुलाती हूँ वो एक्चुअल में नहीं निकलती हैं. सो इट्स क्वाइट गुड
So
फॉर
that's good कि आपको बहुत यंग एज में you know how to discriminate among good and bad people.
yeah.
So जब आप कल को कॉलेज में या कहीं पे भी जाओगे तो होपफुली आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. All right, Raina, what would you say for those people who judge you and who criticize you? Do you have any message for those people?
Yeah, of course. See, for those people who judge me unfairly और कहते हैं कि इसके साथ partiality होती है, इसकी मम्मा का स्कूल है, first of all, I would ask them to walk in my shoes. And once they do it, then I would ask them कि भाई are you empathetic enough that you can understand my side? And if you can't understand my side, you know, if you have no empathy, no sympathy, then your your opinion, your judgment holds no weight for me. And I don't want to talk much about this because my success will do all the talking.
Yeah, your success will definitely give the answer to all
Yeah,
the questions. All right, Raina. Now, entering into our next fun segment, let's play a game with you, Raina. This and that. Mountains or beaches?
Beaches.
Chemistry or history?
History.
Zinc or magnesium?
Magnesium.
Junk food or homemade food?
Sorry mama but junk food.
Junk food. Every kid's choice is junk food.
Exactly.
So, Raina, any message for the audience?
Yeah, one message I would like to give is that
Which should be purely from the core of your heart.
So one message which I would like to give to you all is that don't let labels define you. You know, everyone here is unstoppable. Be boundless. Even though there are some people, you know, which feel as bounded or surrounded within the four walls. But you know, those four walls are created by our own imagination. And as I said, we all are unstoppable and we can do great things in our life.
जितनी आपके साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन की है उस कॉन्वर्सेशन से वी कैन कंक्लूड दैट यू आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट गर्ल.
Thank you, ma'am.
सो राइना, कभी आपके मदर ने आपको प्रेशराइज किया है कि आपने यही एम्बिशन परस्यू करना है और यू हैव सम एम्बिशन ऑफ योर्स इन योर लाइफ?
Never. She has never forced me कि आपको ये आगे स्कूल संभालना है. In fact, I have
लाइक यू आर टू डॉटर्स ओनली,
Yeah.
सो माइट बी कि मदर ने बोला हो कि आपको वही एजुकेशन करनी है कि कल को आपको स्कूल को ही देखना है बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग वेंचर.
Never. In fact, I tell her कि मम्मा स्कूल है मैं करूँगी तो she says नहीं तो तेरा खुद का ड्रीम है तो वो परस्यू कर. And as far as my dream is concerned, so ma'am, I want to be a civil servant.
Oh, good. You want to be a civil servant. And why so?
Ma'am, because I feel the true potential or the true power of a person lies in service and not in the status. And cracking the UPSC exam or being a civil servant is not just about earning those 3 letters in front of your name, whether IAS, IPS or IFS. It's about earning the responsibility to make a better, purposeful and meaningful India. Because what I feel is that those 3 letters in front of your name can give you such a personality which would help you to make a huge difference.
Good to hear, Raina. So all the best, Raina, for your future, and hope to see you in the position of a civil servant, and we'll meet you there soon.
Yeah, ma'am, definitely.